Nothing left to make me feel small. Luck has left me standing so tall. Gold, always believe in your soul. You've got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it, 'cause you are gold. Light that you're bound to return. There's something I could have learned. You're indestructible. Always believe it.
This is an unsponsored review of the Insta360 Go 3, the world's smallest stabilized HD camera. Should you get it? I'm going to give you its most important strengths and limitations. I'm also going to compare to the Insta360 Go 2 and the GoPro Hero 11. Now the biggest improvement for me is no overheating. Somehow the Insta360 Go 3 doesn't overheat. I've been able to record for as long as 3 hours non-stop in 1080p 30 fps indoors with no air conditioning. Here's a table that shows recording times in each mode. Now what about image quality? I compared the Go 3's image quality against the Go 2 and I think there's very little or almost no change in image quality. Take a look.
Love is like a high prison wall, and you could leave me standing so tall. Gold, always believe in your soul. You've got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it, 'cause you are gold. I'm glad that you're bound to return. Something I could have learned. You're indestructible. Always believe it.
Alright, how about the LCD screen? The Go 3's Action Pod case features an LCD touchscreen that can flip forward. So what? Can't you use your phone? Well, in the real world, the touchscreen is really useful. It makes it super easy to change settings. You can flip the screen forward not just for selfies, but also to change settings while the camera is facing you. The Action Pod also works as a remote viewer and I can use it to check my composition. But it has a couple of disadvantages. First, the signal is easily blocked. Sometimes I get disconnected even just putting the Go 3 behind me. And you cannot review photos or videos remotely. If you want to review photos and videos, you have to insert the Go 3 in the Action Pod. Another major improvement is the new quick release system. I also like how the Go 3 itself can also use the new quick release system. Speaking of mounts, there's a new and improved magnetic pednet. This is the pendant for the Go 3. Check it out. Ta-da! And it has this magnetic wedge so that the pendant can be vertical rather than facing upward on your chest. And you can mount the Go 3 in 3 different positions. Here are other improvements.
Can't wait to get out there in the water.
This is winter paradise.
We have arrived in Paris!
Nobody in Australia seems to like Foster. It's why a majority of their sales are actually made everywhere but Australia.
You can hear when it starts recording, or when it stops recording, or when you turn it on, or when you turn it off. Start recording. Stop recording. So should you get the Insta360 Go 3? First of all, if you're a fan of the Insta360 Go series, this is easily the best in the series. First of all, the LCD screen makes it super easy and convenient to use, and you can frame your shots remotely. It's a huge benefit compared to shooting with a phone. But for me, the biggest advantage is that it doesn't overheat. It's always been something I'm worried about when I'm shooting with the Insta360 Go. And with the Go 3, I never have to worry about it. Now the trickier question is, what if you've never shot with the Insta360 Go before? Should you get one now? A traditional action cam like the GoPro Hero 11 will have better image quality, but not by as much as you might suppose. Take a look. In return for that slight difference in image quality, you get a camera that is much more convenient and easy to bring with you everywhere. It's unobtrusive and virtually invisible. Go 3 is also an excellent choice if you need a camera that is as light or as small as possible, such as for FPV drones. Now if you don't need lightweight, personally I prefer shooting with the Insta360 X3 for its third-person view. Now if you've never shot with X3 before and you want to see how it compares to a traditional action cam like the Hero 11, check out this comparison. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in 360.